It kills me to see that you are someplace I don't know. It hurts me to feel that I am in this space alone. So curse me for asking all the questions for my sake. You don't deserve me, so I guess that I will just take my things and go. And who can she be if the answer is not me? And where do you go? Why leave me on my own? Who takes my love away? Who has banished me from your eyes? Does she give you all she promises? Or is it just a lie? And is it me who should play the fool and pretend that I just don't know? And is it me who should take the blame for love you never showed? Is it my fault that you never called to tell me you're okay? And should I bother to ask if you could drop by past my way? And is it over, Lord, that you have wedged between us two? 'Cause I'm over all the pain